Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. It is the SLT, the 3.6 liter engine. Let's go ahead and give that a listen. Drop this so that we can take you for a tour. It is a four-wheel drive. Has alloy wheels. Your towing hookups, spray-on bed liner, power back window. Go ahead and show you the interior. It's gray fabric seats. This does fold down into a cup holder. This middle seat, this folds down into a cup holder and armrest also, so that it can seat 6 or 5. Here is the VIN right here. Your driver controls. Let's go ahead and hop in. It's for your push to talk, and also cruise control. So it has 18,558 miles on it. Right now it's trying to pair. We'll change that. You can connect through your phone, through auxiliary, USB, AM, FM. I'll go ahead and turn that down. So it's AM, FM, Sirius XM. You can also go through various apps, your user guide, your SOS signal, assist, backup camera. So down here is your shifter. It is a turn shifter. Here's your climate control, and down here is your stow tray. You also have power supplies on either side of that, additional stowage here, and your center console, your glove compartment, and your overhead has lighting, and that about wraps it up for this Ram 1500. This vehicle does have a salvage title. It did have some cosmetic damage here in the front. On the passenger side, as you can see, we have gotten that all straightened out. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of trucks here on the lot, so visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.